Hey, how's it going, guys? Got this Toshiba here. Let's see, it's a Toshiba Satellite C655-S5222. Got it from a client. They told me that the screen isn't working, so let's open it up and see. Got it on with the power button. It's coming on. Oh, yeah, it's definitely not good. It's definitely not good, man. I don't know what they were doing with this, man. I don't know. Yeah, man. Like, we probably need to get them a punching bag. Like, they've been punching on the computer. So, okay. So we can tell that we need to go ahead and get a screen. So we can go ahead. We can go online to get one. My favorite place that I like to get one from is laptopscreen.com. They have pretty good tech support, and they ship the screen pretty fast. So first thing first, we got to uninstall this screen. I mean, my tools. Cool, that'll work. So most laptops, monitors have. See, they have like 4 holes. One hole right here, one hole up top, bottom. So, and most time it's a sticker coming up the hole. So what you want to do is just kind of take the stickers off. Yeah. And then underneath, well, before you do this, make sure you power the laptop off. So we're gonna unplug it. Take the battery off the back of it. Cool. Safety first. You want to make sure you don't have any electronic current coming to it. So I've already removed the black part, the black sticker coming up the screws from the 4 holes. So now what I'm gonna do is just kind of take out the screws off the 4 holes. I'm gonna do that real fast. Cut the screws. Boom, boom, boom. So I kind of did that fast, you didn't see, but you get the gist of it. Take out the 4 screws. So now, once I do that, I should be able to take the covering off. Kind of pry it open. It's kind of hard to pry. Just grab you a screwdriver. And just kind of go around. Pry it. This one has clips at the bottom. this one have like the U-shaped clips, so you kind of have to come up on it a little bit. So we're gonna put it to the side. Now, so this one has screws at the top, and it also has screws on the side. So along that side, and screws along that side. So I'm gonna unscrew those real quick. So I took all the screws off on the side bracket, so I'm gonna lay it flat on the monitor, and you kind of see the connector. Be real careful when you're unconnecting it. Most of them just pull straight out, and you can go ahead and pull the monitor, the laptop screen out. On the back of the screen, you can see your connector. See your different numbers. You can see your model number. On this particular laptop screen, the model number is that SPSV 000212220. You get the gist. Depending on what type of laptop you have, your model number might be different, but a lot of the websites that sell these laptop screens, if you get them the computer model, they can match the screen for you. And you can also actually take a picture of the back of the laptop screen and send the picture in, and they'll help match the right laptop screen for you. Cool. So I'm gonna move this to the side. I'm gonna move the old damaged one to the side. I'm gonna grab my new one that I got from laptop screens, and we're gonna unpackage it. So place it down. First thing I want to do is make sure my connectors match up. So I'm going to take this in. And just stick it in. Stick it in. Cool, so I got that in pretty good. Now, I'm going to place it. I'm going to place it in the bracket. Now, if you like me, before I plug everything back up, I want to go ahead and make sure the screen works. Moment of truth. Haha. Just like magic. Start Windows normally. Starting Windows. And that is what we like to see. So we know that this works. I'm gonna go ahead and power it off. So go ahead. I'm gonna put the screws back on the side. Now we're pretty much gonna do a reversal of what we did to take everything apart. Pretty much just gonna put the screws back on the side, on the corners. And put the cover back on it, and I'll be good to go. Thanks guys for checking in. Stay tuned and look forward to more tech videos.